This video will go over best practices for correcting SEDD files. For FUDSChem projects, the USACE requires labs to submit their laboratory data in SEDD 5.2 format, Stage 2A. This is done under Tools, Data Submission. Once the SEDD file is uploaded, you will screen it for potential errors. If any errors are found, you can click on the number of errors to access an error report. For more information on SEDD file submission, SEDD troubleshooting, and screening checks, please refer to our Lab Tutorials playlist and Screening Checks Overview video, linked in the description. If you need further assistance troubleshooting an error, please reach out to your Synectics point of contact. Leave the file in data submission so we can take a look at it and more easily troubleshoot. Some errors may be resolved by editing the file. As a best practice, whenever a SEDD file needs editing, the edits should be made within the lab's LIMS system. This includes making edits in order to resolve screening errors and correct issues discovered in data reporting, such as if results were reported on a wet weight instead of a dry weight basis. Once the data has been updated, the file should be regenerated and submitted to FUDSChem. If applicable, the lab report PDF should be revised as well, then uploaded to the FUDSChem library. Updating a SEDD file by hand is not acceptable for multiple reasons. First, the data contained in the SEDD file must match the data housed in the lab records. If changes are made outside of the LIMS, those changes may not be captured in the lab database, which could call the validity of the data into question in the future. Similarly, hard copy documentation must match the data contained in the SEDD file for legal defensibility. In addition, new errors or data inconsistencies may be introduced if editing the SEDD file by hand outside of the rigors of the LIMS software. Furthermore, making an edit within the LIMS system can fix systematic errors going forward, whereas updating by hand does not hold the same benefit. Please note that there is one exception to this best practice: the submission of historical SEDD files, where it would be unreasonable to require a lab to regenerate aged data through their LIMS system. Chemistry data must be at least 6 months old or have been finalized and validated independent of FUDSChem to be considered eligible to be loaded as historical data. This ensures more recent analysis meets the most current quality objectives. If you are not sure if the data you are loading is considered historical, please ask your Synectics point of contact. More information can be found in our Best Practices Loading Historical Data video, linked in the description. Additional information on best practices for correcting SEDD errors can be found in the Correcting SEDD Errors pamphlet, located at FUDSChem.com under Resources before logging in. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.